We're getting closer to severe weather season, and because of that, the National Weather Service is hosting numerous storm spotter classes around central and eastern Nebraska. So as they get closer, I'm going to try to mention these to you. So if you have interest in going to one, you can attend it. And by the way, these classes are all for free. The next spotter class is coming on Monday, March 28th in Fillmore County at the Geneva Fire Department at 201 South 7th Street in Geneva. It begins at 6:30. Most of these classes take about 90 minutes to maybe 2 hours at the most. If you've got an interest in thunderstorms, if you've got an interest in tornadoes and want to become a spotter or just become more educated in storms, attend one of these classes, and also you'll know how to reach out to the National Weather Service to pass along reports as you see them. Eyeballs are always better than radar when it comes to severe weather. Right now we're taking a live look outside. We've got severe clear skies across the region. It looks beautiful from Beatrice right now. Nice blue skies, no rain to deal with like we've had the last couple of days, or the low clouds. Here's a live look right now from Allo Communications back to the south and west, looking pretty nice as well as we head towards the evening. Around Lancaster County, temperatures are in the middle to upper 50s. A little warmer at the airport, 58, 54 in Firth, 55 at Branch to Oak Lake. It's 56 degrees for those of you in Seward. It's 56 in Milford, 56 in Garland, 56 right now in Utica, and 57 degrees in York. As we travel further west along I-80 out towards the Tri-Cities, it's 57 Grand Island, 57 degrees in Hastings, 56 for those of you in Clay Center, and then 56 in Doniphan, 55 in Shelton, and 56 degrees in Kearney. Winds continue to gust out of the northwest, 25 to 35 miles per hour. We've had some higher peaks today, a peak of 41 mile per hour wind gust in Lincoln, 35 mile per hour wind gust in Beatrice, and 38 mile per hour gust was a peak today out in York. Because of the gusty winds, the dry conditions, and the low relative humidity, red flag warnings continue for pretty much all of eastern Nebraska until 9 o'clock this evening. Speaking of this evening, our temperatures will be dropping, especially with clear skies around. We'll see our temperatures dropping quickly after sunset, which happens right around 7:45 this evening. 48 degrees by 8, 41 by 10. I think eventually with the clear skies and a lighter wind, we will see our temperatures dropping down into the 20s by tomorrow morning. So a chilly start to the day. We'll start with a few clouds through the morning, and I expect us to see partly cloudy skies through the day tomorrow. Now temperatures will once again be back up in the 50s, but it will be about 7 to 8 degrees cooler than today. So temperatures running about 8 degrees below normal as well. 52 for a high in Lincoln, 51 in Seward, or I should say temperatures by 5 o'clock, but still 52 in Lincoln, 53 in Seward, and maybe just a touch warmer out to the west. Grand Island and Hastings at 54 and 55 degrees in Kearney. As we go through the second half of the weekend, we are likely to see some slightly cooler air coming down on Sunday as high pressure builds in. Also, potentially a little bit of precipitation early Sunday morning may be around here, so we may see a few snow showers, I think, early Sunday morning before giving way to partly to mostly cloudy skies by afternoon, and temperatures will struggle to get out of the 40s for the second half of the weekend. It's short-lived though, because we've got warmer air coming for the beginning of the week. We're back in the 60s on Monday. By Tuesday, we could be up into the 80s, but with that, there's also a chance for some thunderstorms. Take a look at this in our instability chart. We're going to have some instability overhead, so there will be a chance for some thunderstorms around here Tuesday evening, and we may see some precipitation, obviously, with the thunderstorms for Tuesday and through the day on Wednesday. Computer models suggesting right around a third of an inch. 7-day forecast, 48 Sunday, 65 on Monday. Tuesday, up to 80 degrees with the evening thunderstorms, 51 degrees on Wednesday. And by the way, it looks like it could be windy around here Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday next week. Cooler temperatures, in fact, long range computer models suggesting some cooler air for the end of next week and really going into next weekend for the first weekend of April. Temperatures running about anywhere between 7 to as much as 10 degrees below normal.